Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the SD card is mounted and visible in Settings Storage. That ensures Android can access it. Once done, copy any irreplaceable files to internal storage or cloud as a precaution. Next, open app permissions and grant storage and account access to the sync tool you'll use. Without those permissions, the app can't read or write to the card. Make sure the SD has enough free space to avoid failed transfers. Now you create the actual sync pair. Install and open your chosen app, then connect your remote account, Google Drive, Dropbox, or a web DAV server so the tool can move files. Next, pick the local folder on the SD card as the sync target, navigate to the card's mount path and select a specific folder. Choose a sync mode, two-way, upload only, or mirror, and set conflict rules. This determines which file wins if both sides change. Save the pair. You finish by running a manual sync to validate everything. Check several files on both the SD card and remote to confirm timestamps and integrity. Once satisfied, schedule automatic syncs and restrict them to Wi-Fi or charging if you prefer, and set conflict handling to avoid accidental overwrites. After the final sync, unmount the SD card safely. If a sync fails, recheck app permissions, confirm the SD card isn't read only, and free up space. Reauthorize the cloud account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.